Jumping jacks are a dynamic, full-body cardio exercise that get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. This simple yet effective movement works your arms, legs, and core while also improving coordination and stamina. Perfect as a warm-up or as part of a high-intensity workout, jumping jacks help burn calories quickly and boost cardiovascular health. Incorporating them into your fitness routine brings energy, endurance, and a great way to kickstart fat loss. The plank is a powerful isometric exercise that focuses on strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominals, lower back, and shoulders. Holding a plank position may seem simple, but it challenges your entire body by requiring balance, stability, and endurance. It's an excellent exercise for improving posture, preventing lower back pain, and building overall functional strength. Just a minute of plank each day can greatly enhance your core stability and support better performance in other physical activities. Push-ups are one of the most classic and effective bodyweight exercises, known for building upper body strength. This exercise primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core for stability. Push-ups not only help improve muscular endurance, but also enhance posture and overall body control. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, push-ups can be modified to match your level and can be done anywhere, without any equipment. Adding push-ups to your routine regularly contributes to a stronger, leaner, and more toned upper body. Squats are a fundamental lower body exercise that targets the thighs, hips, glutes, and calves. They help in building strength, increasing flexibility, and improving mobility in your lower body. Squats also stimulate the core, helping with balance and posture. Regularly performing squats not only tones your legs and buttocks, but also boosts your metabolism by engaging large muscle groups. Whether done with body weight or added resistance, squats are key to building a strong and functional physique. Lunges are a highly effective lower body exercise that targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. This movement also engages your core, helping improve balance, stability, and coordination. Lunges not only build strength and muscle in your legs, but also enhance flexibility and mobility in the hips. Whether you're doing forward lunges, reverse lunges, or walking lunges, this exercise helps correct muscular imbalances and strengthens each leg individually. Lunges are a great addition to any fitness routine, especially for those looking to tone their lower body and improve overall athletic performance.